Alright, we're here at the Executive Park, 2001 State Hill Road here in Wyomissing, Pennsylvania. And over here we have a Dover with traditional. Take out the two. Floor indicator is completely dead. Anyways, here are two. Go back down to one. Pretty nice older Dover elevator, probably from the late 70s, early 80s. Not sure when this was installed. No certificate. Anyways, here are one. There's your indicator, capacity 2,500 pounds, 16 passengers. These are your traditional buttons. Here's the thing right to two, just for the heck of it. Listen to the motor. Two. Do that buffer as well. And now I have one. Put your phone there. Here are one. So that was a nice Dover elevator here at this little office park. Can't say it's really an office park, but it's more of an office building. And this thing takes a little bit to close. And that'll be it.